Okay, we're going to try and see if we can find 20 educational uses for an iPod, although other media players can be used for many of these activities. This presentation is done in the style of Kevhickeyuk, which means there'll be 20 slides, each 20 seconds long. Audiobooks are just books that are read out and can be listened back to on an iPod. You can download the latest publications via sites such as Audible, or get free books which are out of copyright via sites such as Internet Archive or Library Vox. These are great for listening to on the bus or the train. DSpeech is a free program which you can download from the internet for your computer, and you can use this program to upload documents or paste in text, and DSpeech will then convert that text into an MP3 file which you can listen to on your iPod whenever it's convenient for you. Many iPods come with a program called iQuiz, which has multi-choice and true or false questions available on it. You can also download a program called iQuiz Maker, which means you can make your own revision quizzes to upload to an iPod, which anyone can use. Other games can be downloaded for the iPod, which do have some educational benefit, such as Brain Challenge, which is similar to other brain training games, and Sport Origins, which is a basic simulation game which looks at evolution. Podcasts are available via the iTunes Store. You can download podcasts on a range of subjects, or you can create your own podcasts with students and upload them to the iTunes Store using websites such as Gcast. iTunes U is available through the iTunes Store, and it stands for iTunes University. It has content from lots of different learning providers, including the Open University, Oxford and Cambridge universities, and includes free content such as podcasts, lectures and TV programs. Websites such as VideoJug have basic how-to instructional videos which you can download and view on your iPod. Alternatively, you can create your own, either by yourself or with students. You can also use an iPod to view and review any content or work that you've done. So it might be a video of you teaching a classroom or baking a cake or something. You can use this video to show to other people, or just to review to see how you've done and how you can improve. You can create flashcards in programs such as Microsoft PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, you can save presentations as JPEG images. These can then be put onto an iPod and used as flashcards and viewed through the photo section of the iPod. Here we see a number of slides which can be downloaded from the Rough Guide website. These slides go onto your iPod into the photos section, and you can scroll through them and use them as a travel guide. There are many other types of travel guides available for the iPod, including audio and video travel guides. In the notes section of an iPod, you can view text documents which can be navigated between using little hyperlinks which are embedded into the documents. You can actually create these text documents in programs such as Exe. As well as creating your own notes for an iPod, you can also download reference books in this format. Having the basic linking navigation allows reference books to be navigated through an index system. Although it doesn't come as standard on iPods, if you download additional software, you can read RSS feeds on your iPod. These can be RSS feeds from blogs, wikis, news stories, and then you can synchronize it and read it when you want under the notes section. iPods and many other media devices come with a calendar which can be synchronized with a calendar that you've got on your computer. This can be useful to remind students of deadlines for assignments, or when they've got exams coming up or something like that. There is also a built-in stopwatch with iPods, which means you can use it to time anything that needs timing, whether it's a sporting event or an activity, or whether it's something like a Kevhickeyuk presentation. If you have a contacts list on your computer, possibly within Microsoft Outlook, you can synchronize this with your iPod and you'll have your contacts list wherever you go. Also, you could fill up the contacts list with the details of historical figures, and that way you can use the contacts list as flashcards of information. Cables are available which make it possible to view the content of your iPod on a TV screen or a projector. So in this example on the screen, the projector is hooked up to the iPod and therefore showing a video from iTunes U. Finally, the one thing that iPods are most known for is for showing music, and of course music can be used in a multitude of ways for education, whether it's actually analysing and listening to the music or having music in the background of a classroom to set the scene. Many of the images used in this presentation were obtained via the Creative Commons license using Flickr. Here are a list of contributors who created those images. Thanks for watching, and for more information have a look on our website.